Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. A very, very eventful day on this one, and I will say relatively tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of viewpoints to look at it. So let's just put it this way. Let's just say that you only care about today's price action, and you only care about today's price action, then today was pretty bad, right? I mean, the price gapped all the way up here, and then after the open, the price moved that high. Some poor souls bought right there, and then down it went from that point. So looking at today in and of itself, yeah, a bearish day, a bad day. It was a gap and trap. But let's say you care about more than just one single day. From that point of view, it was a good, healthy day. And this means, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Tuesday, where I talked about this area right here around $2.23. That was a very important level of support. And the reason why that level is so important is if the price were to come down to that area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price, like I said, quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to go back to where they were. And that's what the 222 mark represents. But to be fair, that's not what happened today, right? I mean, things got nasty. The price was certainly pulling back, but it did finally go sideways above that green line and then even started to work its way back upwards. So as far as, is this chart bullish or bearish? I don't know. What was your perspective going in? What was your game plan? If you only cared about today and you're some sort of, scalping day trader, then yeah, depending on where you bought, it might look pretty rough. But if you do care about the bigger picture of things, then the price does still have the opportunity to continue to chip away with higher lows, because you look right there, that's so far in play as a higher base. Right there was the previous base, and if you envision those as stair steps, like I said, those stair steps are still totally in play. So from that point of view, things are looking good. As far as areas of resistance, the level that really just kind of gave confirmation that it's going to be very stubborn going forward, right up there around $2.40. So keep an eye on that. But overall, I would say today was a good, solid move. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.